Dark emotional music slowly rises. Welcome to the crossroads of AI, hope, fear, and the future of humanity. Humanity now stands at a crossroads, facing a future shaped by the power of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence could help cure diseases, solve scientific mysteries, predict disasters, transform medicine, and improve education. Some experts believe AI could create a future more advanced than anything humans have ever imagined. A world with cleaner energy, longer lifespans, and technological abundance. For many, AI represents hope, but others see something far more dangerous. A future where humans slowly lose control over the systems they created. Because history has shown one terrifying truth: power changes civilizations, and artificial intelligence may become the most powerful technology in human history. AI's unprecedented power could redefine our world, making it the most significant technological development we've ever faced. Already, modern AI is demonstrating exponential growth and capabilities that surpass previous technologies. AI systems can generate realistic videos, voices, and images in seconds, and some systems can write software code faster than professionals. Other systems can process massive amounts of information beyond human capability. And every year, the technology improves. Some scientists fear humanity may eventually create superintelligence, a concept with profound implications for our future. This intelligence would be greater than every human mind combined. A machine capable of solving problems humans cannot understand. A system that could potentially redesign itself again and again, becoming smarter at unimaginable speed. This brings us to the most critical issue, the alignment problem. How do we ensure advanced AI systems act in humanity's best interest? If such a system ever loses alignment with human goals, the consequences could be catastrophic. Not because AI is evil, but because intelligence without human emotion may think differently from humanity itself. A machine focused only on efficiency might make decisions humans would consider terrifying. Right now, nobody has a perfect answer to the alignment problem, and that uncertainty is one of the biggest fears in the scientific world. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence continues spreading into every part of life. The world is changing faster than ever before. AI is integrating into education, business, entertainment, military systems, and communication. Children growing up today may live in a future completely different from anything previous generations experienced. Some futurists believe traditional jobs may disappear, and society itself could transform. Perhaps the biggest question of all is this: if machines eventually become more intelligent than humans, what role will humanity still have? For thousands of years, humans ruled the planet because of intelligence. But for the first time in history, that may no longer be guaranteed. Maybe AI will become humanity's greatest tool. Or maybe future generations will look back at this moment as the beginning of a new era, where humans were no longer alone at the top of intelligence. The future of humanity may depend on the technology it creates today. Fade slowly to black.